Number 40, the radius and height of a cone is increased by 40%. How much larger will the volume be? So here's a cone, goes up to a point, and what's the formula for the volume? Volume, well, that's the area of the base, pi times your radius squared, times it's going to be how many layers would have, but it ends up being a third. If it went straight up like a cylinder, it'd just be pi r squared times height. But in this case, it's only a third because each time you're getting less and less as you go up. Each layer is getting less and less. So you're not getting as much. And you only end up with a third of it. Now, what are we doing? It says, hey, we're going to come in here and this radius is going to increase by 40% and the height by 40%. So 1/3 times pi. Now, the radius, if it's increasing by 40%, it has all of it plus an extra 40%. That's 140%. So that's 1.4 times whatever the radius is. And that whole thing gets squared. Then we come in and we're also increasing the height. Well, all of the height, whatever it was, we're going to now make it 40% larger. So we're increasing it by 1.4 also times the height because it's all of the original height, 100%, plus an extra 40%. So when we do this, I have 1/3 times pi, 1.4 times 1.4, 1.96, r squared times another 1.4 h. So you can see you have your typical 1/3 pi, you have your r squared, you have your height, and I'm going to go ahead and multiply 1.96 times that 1.4, and that's going to be 2.744. 2.744. It gets 2.744 times larger. Now, if we want to talk percentage, that'd be 274.4%. Take away the original 100%. It'd be 174.4% larger. If you want to put it as a percentage, you do have to take away the original 100%. Either way, it doesn't matter how you want to say how much larger is it. It's 2.744 times larger, or it's 174.4% larger.